Hey friends, we are back with another $10 Dinner Tuesday, and today we are making a favorite of mine, fried cabbage and sausage. First up, we are going to get this sausage and go ahead and chop it up into bite-sized pieces. As you can see, I've got up here on the screen, the sausage at Walmart is $3.46. Next, I have about a medium-sized onion. I'm going to go ahead and cut that all up into about the same size pieces as the sausage. As you can see again here on the screen, this onion is 99 cents a pound at Walmart. Go ahead and grab your cabbage. You want to make sure you peel off these dark green outer leaves. And then we're going to slice this up. I've got the price here on the screen. That's 87 cents a pound at Walmart, which is on average about $3.48. Now that I have everything prepped, I'm going to grab it all and head over to the stove. A Dutch oven, I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil, not much, and then we're going to throw in all of our sausage and cook that until it gets a nice little brown crispy char on the outside. Your sausage is done, go ahead and remove it, but do not drain that grease because we're going to cook our onions in that. We're going to cook these onions in this Dutch oven or your skillet for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are completely soft and translucent and look a little something like this. Once your onions have softened, you want to add in all of that chopped cabbage. It's going to look like a lot, but once it cooks, it will wilt down and it doesn't look like it's as much. Go ahead and grab about 4 ounces of water, pour that down into your cabbage and onions, and then we're going to season with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, some Cajun seasoning, I'm using Slap Ya Mama, a little bit of paprika, some onion powder, and a little bit of garlic powder. There's no exact measurements, just do this to taste. Cover it and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring sporadically. While my cabbage is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and boil a bag of egg noodles. These are $1.48 at Walmart, and I'm going to cook them according to package directions. After about 15 to 20 minutes, you want to remove the lid, give your cabbage a good stir, and you want it to look a little something like this. It's soft, but it still has a little bit of a bite to it. So at this point, you want to add back in all of your cooked sausage. Give this all a really good stir, get those flavors all combined together, and then we're going to cover this and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now go ahead and remove your lid, and this is what your sausage and cabbage should look like. Your noodles should be drained waiting, and everything together is $9.41 before tax. So now it's time to serve this up. If you don't want to serve it over the noodles, you can absolutely omit that part, but I've always done it this way. So I like a good generous amount of the egg noodles, and then I top with as little or as much of the fried cabbage and sausage as I like. And being I was craving this for a few days, I put a generous portion on there. Just a quick little note, if you do not like spice, get just regular beef smoked sausage. We use spicy andouille sausage, and it was a little hot for my mom. But I hope you guys give this a try and enjoy it, and be sure to follow along for more $10 Dinner Tuesdays.